The International Court of Justice is the principal, the main judicial organ of the United Nations. It is the body, it is the organ which adjudicates, which decides disputes between states. It's on the same level with the United Nations Security Council, for example, which is one of the principal organs of the United Nations. The arbitral tribunal, which rendered the award yesterday, that is a body which was set up under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. It is not the International Court of Justice, and it is a temporary body. The award itself is not an international, it's not a United Nations award. The Permanent Court of Arbitration is a body which acts as the administrative body of arbitral tribunals. So states that have to exchange documents, pleadings, they use the PCA for that purpose. The PCA, of course, it has other functions. It's also responsible for investment disputes and so on and so forth. The Permanent Court of Arbitration, the PCA, and the International Court of Justice share the same building in The Hague, which is called the Peace Palace. So it's not very easy for a non-lawyer to be able to make the distinction between the two bodies. One should never lose sight of the fact that the purpose of an arbitral settlement, or it's not an end in itself, it's a means to an end. That is the peaceful, the peaceful resolution of a conflict. A tribunal or a court should never lose sight of that.
The United Nations has clarified its relationship with the Arbitration Tribunal on its social media account. It posted on the Chinese microblogging platform Weibo that the tribunal, established in 1899, has nothing to do with the UN. It is currently a tenant of the Peace Palace in The Hague, which was built in 1913 from a donation made by the steel magnate and philanthropist Andrew Carnegie. The International Court of Justice is the principal judicial organ of the UN. The court has had its seat in the Peace Palace in The Hague since 1946.